So, why are billionaires buying gold? As a store of wealth, source of diversification, to protect against monetary depreciation and inflation, to ensure generational capital preservation, as a hedge currency, as an antidote for equities, and for crisis protection. The very people whose financial decisions we all follow are choosing to distribute their wealth in assets like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. When the world's financial moguls begin choosing metals, perhaps it's time we pay attention and follow suit. Since late 2015, a handful of billionaires have been accumulating gold over other forms of investments. Here are a few of them. Ray Dalio is the founder of the world's biggest hedge fund and is worth $18.7 billion. He chooses to buy gold as a store of wealth and diversification. David Einhorn founded the Greenlight Capital in 1996 and went from $900,000 in wealth to $11 billion. He believes that the central bank's stimulus efforts will have an effect on pushing up the value of gold. He keeps 10% of his fund's value stored in gold bullion. Lord Jacob Rothschild is a British banker worth at least $5 billion. He favors gold as a store of wealth and a method of generational capital preservation. Sam Zell, a 77-year-old real estate titan whose net worth is estimated at $5.5 billion, buys gold as a hedge. Gold is formally recognized as a hedge against currency depreciation and inflation. Paul Tudor Jones, a hedge fund manager whose net worth is estimated at $5.1 billion, buys gold as an antidote for equities, saying that gold will be the antidote for people with equity portfolios in the face of a global economic downturn. Stanley Druckenmiller, worth $4.7 billion, founded Duquesne Capital. In the 34 years leading up to Druckenmiller closing his fund, he maintained an average 30% annual return without a single losing year. He holds 20% of his entire portfolio in gold. Naguib Sawiris, an Egyptian billionaire worth $2.9 billion, buys gold as a means of crisis protection, putting half of his wealth into gold in 2018. Last but not least on our list is Jeffrey Gundlach, a money manager dubbed the Bond King, whose net worth sits at $2.1 billion. Jeffrey also buys gold as a hedge. If you're interested in knowing more about gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, call us for a no-pressure consultation. We have the most experienced representatives and an exclusive pipeline to metal sources with an unblemished track record. Visit us at www.noblegoldinvestment.com to know more about investing in gold, or call us at 877-646-5347.